Hello G and Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 15th of Ramadan and me with the four other friends have planned an Aftar get together for around 30 to 35 friends that are living inside our hostel. Making food for this much number of people was not easy. And you know what? We are not allowed to do any cooking inside our hostel. So, watching the Aftar time was not easy, at least for us Pakistani people. So we decided to cook our Pakistani food secretly inside our dormitory because the cooking was not allowed. So we made chana chaat, fruit chaat, pakoras, kheer, and biryani. So this is the process of making of paparis for chana chaat. And in this one, we had first made the dough with the whole wheat flour, zira, ajwain, some spices, little bit of oil and water. अब जो है वो खीर बनना शुरू हो चुकी है. So here is the process of kheer making, and in this step we had first ground the rice in the grinder and dip the rice in water and added that ground rice soaked in water, and after that we added sugar and milk over it, and then there was had made the kheer and some portion of chana chaat a day before that day. And on the day of invitation, we had cooked the pakoras and biryani and made it the fruit chaat and the other chutneys and raitas. So here, this was like combined effort, and we all were making this stuff. And this part is about frying of pakoras in the electric stove. Pakoras are one of the famous ingredients of our Aftar menu, and all Pakistani homes make pakoras during the Aftar, during the Ramadan. There are many types of pakoras that we make. There are eggplant pakoras, there are cauliflower pakoras, and so many different types, onion, etc. And this is the cutting of the fruits for the fruit chart. Chop them with a big knife all together and then mixed. This is the picture of very delicious biryani and dry fruits and the cream we added in our fruit chart. In the biryani also, the two friends made a very delicious biryani. So we five of us have made very delicious items and a nice quantity of fruit chart with a lot of fruits, apple, banana, strawberry, mango, and a lot of dry fruits, and with the whipped cream over it. The biryani was extremely delicious. So after the fruits were cut and in the end the dry fruit was sprinkled, the cream was added, and some more dry fruits were garnished over at the end of the fruit chart bowls. So here we were done. We were done with all the things and we wrapped them, and then we went to the basement area of our building because inside the rooms there is not enough space. So we had arranged and we had then opened the Aftar, and everyone had praised a lot about the food and praised a lot about the management, the idea. We had a lot of good time together, a great get together. Praised a lot about our food and the contentment and peace we had after everyone enjoyed. So with this I end up this vlog, and I wish you all to have a blessed Ramadan with the prayer Allahumma innaka afuun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. So Ramadan Kareem, and may Allah bless us all, bless you all. Allah Nigeban. Ramadan Kareem.